What's this? What's this? This is the wrong way to draw your eyeliner. Let me show you how to draw the perfect angled eyeliner. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm super excited to share with you some amazing eyeliner technique that you can master in just minutes. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade your makeup skills, this video is perfectly for you. I've been there actually, struggling to get that perfect cat eye, dealing with uneven lines that won't just sit in one place. It's frustrating, right? You spend so much time trying to get it right, but it just doesn't cooperate. I've had my fair share of those moments too. Back and watch till the end, because in just few minutes your eyes can go from basic to bold. Practice a little, stay patient. Remember, eyeliner is a skill, not a magic. So tell me, which look are you trying first? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share and like for more beauty gems.